P3 question number 9, trigonometric question. The first question, 6 sin square theta cot 2 theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta. We have to write in terms of sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. So the A part here, 6 sin square theta and cot 2 theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta. So we'll recall this identity, which is the first one is cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From here I'll make subject of 2 sin square theta, so I'll bring 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this is our first, we are going to use this, and next identity is going to be sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. We are going to use both here. Okay, so this is the second identity. Okay, so here the first 6 sin square theta, I can write 3 into 2 sin square theta into the cot theta. Okay, I'll write now cot 2 theta plus this 4, I'll write 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta. Now we have to substitute our result. So 3 into 1 minus cos 2 theta into cot 2 theta plus 2 into sin 2 theta. But we need to write everything, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. So I'll multiply here 3 into 3 cos 2 theta. But the cot theta, cot 2 theta, we can cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So 2 theta is like a cos 2 theta over sin 2 theta here. So which is, I can write cos 2 theta over sin 2 theta plus 2 into sin 2 theta. So this is our result, 3 minus 3 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So that's the first answer. Everything we have written in sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Now second part, so hence, so using the first part, so now part B, we need to 3 cot 2 theta cot 2 theta minus 14 equal to 6 sin square theta cot 2 theta, 6 sin square theta cot 2 theta, 6 sin square theta cot 2 theta plus 4 sin theta and cos theta. Yeah, it can be written in the form of, so we need to show that 5 sin square 2 theta, we need to show this 5 sin square 2 theta plus 14 sin 2 theta minus 3. We need to show this, the 5, we need to simplify as our first result. So this entire part, so the left side is same, 3 cot 2 theta minus 14 equal to, the right side is nothing, that's a before one, we simplified with 2 theta everything. So I'll rewrite here, which is 3 minus 3 cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta over sin 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So right side I'll take LCM, so left side is as it is, 3 cot 2 theta minus 14 equal to 3 minus 3 cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta plus 2. I'll multiply the sin 2 theta here, which is 2 sin square 2 theta, the entire thing over sin 2 theta. Now left side also I'll do 3. The cot theta I can write cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta minus 14 equal to the entire thing right side. So left side I'll take LCM, 2 cos 2 theta minus 14 sin 2 theta over the entire sin 2 theta equal to 3 minus 3 cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta plus 2 sin square 2 theta over sin 2 theta. Now this and this will be cancels because you multiply sin 2 theta both the sides. So the remaining is going to be 3 cos 2 theta minus 14 sin 2 theta equal to 3. So I'll expand now. 3 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos square 2 theta plus 2 sin square 2 theta. So from here this and this becomes 0 because 3 cos 2 theta, when you bring it left side, it's become 3 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta, it becomes 0. The left is going to be 14 sin 2 theta equal to minus 3 cos square 2 theta plus 2 sin square 2 theta. But we need to prove 5 sin square 2 theta plus 14 sin 2 theta because there is no cos. So as we know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So the angle we can write sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta equal to 1. Make a subject of cos square theta. So cos square 2 theta equal to 1 minus sin square 2 theta. So I'll apply here minus 14 sin 2 theta equal to minus 3 into 1 minus sin square 2 theta plus 2 sin square 2 theta. Now minus 14 sin 2 theta equal to expand minus 3 plus 3 sin square 2 theta plus 2 sin square 2 theta, which is minus 14 sin 2 theta equal to minus 3 plus 5 sin square 2 theta. We'll rearrange all one side. We'll get 5 sin square 2 theta. I'll bring this 14 to other side plus 14 sin 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required part in part B. 5 sin square 2 theta plus 14 sin 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. Now we'll go for part C. Part C we need to 3 cot 2x minus 14 equal to the entire minus 14 equal to this is same the part of part B. Part B also we have written exactly the same, so we have written this. Now here is exactly the same stuff is given. Instead of theta there is a x, so we can written this part equal to 3 cot 2x minus 14. The question is given 3 cot 2x minus 14 equal to 6 sine square x cos cot 2x cot 2x plus 4 sin x cos x 4 sin x cos x 4 sin x cos x. But it is given there is an interval is 0 less than x less than 90, so we need to solve, we need to find out x. Final answer we have to give in one decimal place. The interval is 0 less than x less than 90. The interval is 0 less than x, 0 less than x less than 90, so we need to solve. That's the question. So it is like a same like the before term, the before also we did using the before, so we can write the entire thing equal to 5 sine square instead of theta there is x, 5 sine square 2x plus 14 sine 2x minus 3 equal to 0 using part B. Okay, so now we need to solve this as a substitution method. I'll take y equal to sine 2x. So 5y square plus 14y minus 3 equal to 0 is normal quadratic to solve. So multiplication, multiply time we have to get negative 15. Addition time we have to get 14. So negative 15 and 14, the factors of 15 and negative 1. So 5y square plus 15y minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So bring 5y out. So y plus 3 here, y plus 3, then minus 1 out. So 5y minus 1 and y plus 3 equal to 0. So 5y minus 1 equal to 0, which is y equal to 1 over 5, and y plus 3 equal to 0, which is y equal to minus 3. We need to substitute back y equal to sine 2x. So sine 2x equal to 1 over 5 and sine 2x equal to negative 3, which is not valid. This is no solution. Right side minus 3 part, because the sine value always is minus 1 to plus 1. That is the range for sine. So here is negative 3, so there is no solution. From left side, sine 2x equal to 1 over 5. Here 2x equal to sine inverse of 1 over 5. Okay, so now our range is here, the theta is 2x, like x is 2x. Our range is given 0 less than x less than 90. 0 less than x less than 90. Then here we'll make we got 2x here, so I'll make it 2x, multiply two entire equation. So 0 less than 2x less than 180. So it is going 0 to 180. 0 to 180, sine is 2x equal to 1 sine 2x equal to 1 over 5, which is positive value. So positive is happening in first quadrant and second quadrant, 0 to 180. So we'll get two solutions. So 2x equal to, so first one is 2x equal to sine inverse of 1 over 5, which is, the answer is 11.537, which is equal to 2x. So x equal to 5.7684. So final answer, they said 1 decimal place, which is 5.8 degree. This is the first solution. Second solution, 2x equal to, because second quadrant we have to do 180 minus this 11.537, which is 2x equal to 168.463, which is so x equal to 168.463 over 2, which is 84.2315. so round by one decimal place, which is 84.2 degree. So the final answer is like two solution. The x is x equal to 5.8 degree. Now x equal to 84.2 degree.